They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, before you judge me, just listen to what I have to say, okay? I shot hair content videos back to back consistently for a good number of days, and I decided to take a chill pill. I decided to take a break, let my hair breathe, y'all. I think I actually took it to have no combing or styling my hair at all. But see my hair, but part of the reason why I am actually taking a break is actually because the last braid that I took down messed with my hair so much that I had to do a mega trim on my hair. I trimmed my hair down. I cut off a significant amount of hair. Well, I'm glad my hair is growing back. So here are the weapons of warfare. My water spray bottle, mega great leave-in straightener, and a comb or a brush. So I'm using my hand to actually separate my hair from the tangles, and I'm working in smaller section. I believe that it would help me in the long run. Even if I don't finish it today, I'll still finish it. So yeah, so I'll spray my hair with water and I'll apply leave-in conditioner, which actually soften my hair and make it easier to work with before using my comb. Well, to my greatest surprise, my hair isn't as tangled as I thought it would be. I think I'm becoming more tender-headed these days. I don't know what it is. Now, down to the question of the day. Will not combing your hair for 5 days or more retain length? So I saw a girl on TikTok say that the best way to put her hair in a protective style is by leaving it in its afro state. And that kind of resonated with me because when your hair is in afro state, you are not combing it, you're not styling it, you're not tugging it, you're not trying to do anything to it. You're just trying to let your hair breathe. And that kind of resonated with me a lot. And so in these 5 days of letting my hair breathe, I decided to see if what she was saying was actually true. I'm not saying you should not comb your hair for a month or for 2 months. I'm just saying just for a short period of time, like 3 days, 2 days, 5 days. I think this is the highest I've actually not combed my hair for. But then I believe that it helps in retaining length because here is my reason. Our natural hair tends to break easily, and the ability for your hair to retain length is if your growth is greater than breakage. So your hair is growing faster than it is breaking. That is the ability for you to retain length. And what better way to prevent breakage if not by letting your hair breathe? As you guys saw, I just put my hair into 4 section and then use my scrunchies to tie my hair. If I was to go to bed, I'll put my hair into a bonnet. If I was to go out, I'll put a scarf over my hair, and as easy as that. It took me more than 30 minutes to detangle my whole head. So yeah, at this juncture, I'd like to introduce myself. If you're just seeing me for the very first time, hey, my name is Naya, and I create content tailored to natural hair. Everything you need to know to have a healthy hair on that head. Yeah, from tips to care to styles, tutorial, etc. I also create content tailored to my lifestyle just a little bit, and then fashion and faith, but majorly natural hair. And now would be a good time for you to subscribe to this channel. So this is the amount of hair that I lost just from detangling the back of my hair. So this also is the amount of hair that I lost while detangling the front part of my hair, and cumulatively this is the amount of hair that I lost from just doing the back and the front of my hair. So yes, I believe that letting your hair breathe would retain length. No pulling, no tugging, no combing. Okay? But don't do too much. Oh my, look at how my hair is looking. Just see how juicy my hair looks. Well, I think we've come to the end of this video actually, and I hope you enjoyed it. This is your time to subscribe, like, share, and even comment. And I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.